Welcome back to Stacy Goes Outside. Today I am at Ellis Lake. So this is Ellis Lake, found in Marysville, California. It's actually two kind of separate lakes. There's a smaller northern lake, which is the one I'm fishing right now. And then south of here across the road is a much larger lake, which I just came from. Didn't get any real good bites down there, so I came up north here. Typically have some luck right here in this northwestern corner, right next to these apartments. Caught catfish, crappie, bluegill, and largemouth bass here. So hopefully I'll have some good stuff today. Got one. First one of the day. A little Ned rig. Thought I saw something making a commotion. Dang. Yep. Moving. Bass. No, I was kind of moving it. Jerking it. I don't know, it might be the same one. What do you guys think? Comment if you think this is the same fish. Alright, so that's two. Ah, I just missed one. Wait, did it come back? Come back. Hitting it like right after I hop it. I hop it and then they tap it. And then they just little, like, not too high. They get it like as it's hopping and then I stop and then they grab it. Oh, come on. Oh my God. It keeps coming out of his mouth. Like I know it's hooked and then it spits it out. Twice. What the heck? It's crazy, it's still going after it. Like it's hooking itself, but it's just taking off and then something's got it. Oh! Swallowed it. It's all the way down in there. So I'm gonna go in there with my pliers. So Ellis Lake is a pretty good place to fish. They bite on a variety of different lures here. I've caught them on, live bait, night crawlers, rooster tails, kitex, and as you can see today, Ned rigs. One guy was catching them at the South Lake this morning, just picking them off with square bills. So they'll kind of eat a variety of everything, which is great because you can test a lot of new stuff if you want. What else can I tell you about this place? Free parking, no restrooms, which is a bummer. But one important feature of this place is down the street there is a 7-Eleven, so you can get your summer Slurpees or winter Slurpees, I guess. It's getting pretty warm, so I might want to try to find spots with shade. So this is the northernmost corner. It's my favorite spot to fish. Usually. Today, those other spots were pretty good too. I wonder if they're still down here. Turtles. Oh man, maybe I jinxed myself because I haven't had one bite on this side yet. Oh my God, shade, I'm so happy right now. My GoPro feels like it's on fire Comment below if your GoPro feels like it's overheating like 50% of the time. I'm in the shade. I thought that maybe being out in the sun earlier was causing it to do that, but I've been sticking around in the shade for about half an hour. It's still hot as hell, so let me know what you think. Am I getting a bite? Am I getting a bite? I am. Here we go. Oh, came out of its mouth. So there you have it. ELLIS Lake in Marysville, which is in the northern part of California if you decide to come visit. Lots of different fish here, bass, bluegill, crappie, catfish, who knows what else. I'm not sure what else could be in here. So come check it out. Cool little spot for a day trip. Lots to do here. Picnic benches so you can relax and have lunch. And who knows, maybe you decide to take that trip. I'll see you outside.